When you design a room, details matter. That includes the fireplace. And with an open hearth fireplace, with no glass barrier between you and the fire, details matter even more. The interior panels become the backdrop for your fire, helping set the tone for the entire space. With the Rutherford by Heat & Glo, you can choose from 4 interior panel colors, all featuring timeless style with a unique twist. All available in either a herringbone or a traditional brick pattern. For an even more authentic look, hand-laid fire brick is also available. Choose from a range of colors and patterns, and enjoy a perfect backdrop for wood or gas logs. Burn wood logs for the nostalgic scent and sound, or add gas logs for all the cozy feelings without any cleanup. Either way, this open hearth fireplace doesn't just warm the room, it truly feels like it's part of it. Design your fireplace from the inside out.